Mercer. Come here. Come here. Come here. Are you doing what I'm doing? I'm like, come here.
Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Come on.
When did he start really walking?
Just a few days ago. Where are the eggs? Do you see any
I
eggs?
see a green one.
Wow, that's a long walk, actually.
Oh. Almost.
You're okay.
I think that fell.
Oh, you're okay, baby.
Mercer.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Mercer.
No, look.
Okay.
That's not Daddy.
Okay, look at.
Come on.
Do you see? It's a ball. He calls them balls. He calls everything ball. Apples, balls. Eggs, balls. Oranges, balls.
Oh, almost.
Almost. Yeah.
I
can get this one. Right here. I did it.
You gonna walk, baby?
Honey, I told you to put him in here.
In the sticky bush? Nice.
Well, I had the hose out so I could make some quicksand.
Do you see the ball? It's an egg. This one's called an Easter egg.
Good job.
Nice job.
Yay!
All right. Can you shake it?
Is there something in it?
Shake it.
Ooh.
That's a bunny. Do you see the bunny?
Should we try and find another one?
I see one right behind you. Do you see a blue one? Is it okay that we're going for the easy ones? He's one.
He's one of the least mobile kids on this.
They're pretty much all easy.
Look them. Look at your shoe. Look.
Because you know they're probably just little kids anyway. Yay!
Oh, good job. Good job. Okay, I think he's done. That's all he probably wants the rest of the day.
Yep.
He's good.
All right, we can go home.
All he needs is 2 eggs.
We can go
2
home
eggs
now.
to shake.
Yay!
Say thanks, Miss Connie. You did a great job hiding eggs.
Ah.
Cool.
Are you happy?